This stun gun was sent to me to try out. Times are just different these days, and you just need to be prepared. So let me show you what this looks like. All right, so it came with the stun gun. It does have an instruction, came with a charging cable, and it can attach to a keychain. All right, so this actually opens up, and it looks like this. It looks like a mini gun, so this is what it looks like in my hand. Up here, there is a switch, so this is the safety switch. Back here is where you would charge this, and then to actually turn it on, you would pull the trigger, just like a gun. So if I push this forward, you'll see the light. And then, so if you push it forward even more, you'll see that there's a red light that comes on. That lets you know that this is now active. And so if I pull this, it's gonna make a loud noise. This is what it looks like. So you always want this switch to be off if you're not ready to use it. And then you can fold this up like this, and that's what it looks like. Right, so the biggest thing for me for stun guns is you can look at different things about it, but the main thing is, can it be a deterrent, right? This is definitely not a toy, but it is small enough for it to fit in your purse. You can put it on your keys, and then this can even fit in your pocket, right? So it's readily accessible. So that's one that I look for, is it must be readily accessible for use. It must be easy to use, right? So this one, you just open it up, turn the switch on, and pull the trigger, right? And then 3, it should be a deterrent, right? So this is designed to scare someone off and give you time to get away. So if you're in the market for a stun gun, you should definitely check this one out.